Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook shells and cheese. First, bring 6 cups of water to a rolling boil in a medium saucepan. Add 1 tablespoon of butter or margarine to the water. Then, stir in the pasta shells and cook them for 8 to 10 minutes or until al dente. Finally, drain the cooked pasta thoroughly, ensuring no excess water remains. This sets the stage for a perfectly creamy dish. Now that your pasta is perfectly drained, return it to the same saucepan. Next, add 1/4 cup of milk to the warm pasta. This helps create a smooth base for our sauce. Then, squeeze in the entire cheese sauce packet from the box. Stir all of these ingredients together continuously until the cheese is fully melted and beautifully smooth. This step is key for that classic, comforting texture. Your delicious shells and cheese are now ready to be enjoyed. Serve them immediately while they are warm for the best experience. For an extra touch of flavor, you might garnish with some fresh parsley or a sprinkle of freshly ground black pepper. You can also add cooked protein, like chicken or ham, to make it a more complete meal. Enjoy this classic comfort food. To ensure your shells and cheese are always perfect, remember a few key tips. First, avoid overcooking the pasta. Aim for a firm, al dente texture. Using whole milk instead of skim milk will yield a richer, creamier cheese sauce. For a slightly sharper flavor, consider adding just a pinch of dry mustard powder. Leftovers can be stored in an airtight container for up to 3 days in the refrigerator.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.